Cherif, again, I just want to say thank you for all the information. It's been very practical information, not fluff, um, something that I can act upon. And even while I was sitting here listening to you talk about the tax breaks with GBA, I immediately wanted to act on that. So I texted my business partner friend, and he was interested. And I think just the fact that you got me to move right as you're speaking and teaching us is a testament to you, because I've never really promoted any kind of idea like that so quickly, because I was so excited about it. So thank you for all this information. I know that with it, I believe it's going to change my life, my financial picture in the future. I feel like it's going to, my dream has always been to work for myself and not for someone else. And I really believe truly that this is going to be the vehicle for that to happen. So thank you so much.
Thank you.